Turn it sideways so I can zoom in on Barbie. Whoa.
Definitely have a tailwind today. The thing's hauling butt. Did you see the driver? That's a big Barbie doll. I heard you say Barbie, yeah. Wind's pushing towards the screen also. I brought my son. Yeah, I wouldn't use that. A little yellow one? No. Oh, the Cubs. Yeah, it's not even. You say yes, right? That wind is...
Oh!
Come on, go back over, girl. There you go. Yeah, that's real windy up there now. Come on back, girl.
I'll just let the wind take it back.
The wind will bring it back.
Charlie, if you don't want to take it all the way back to yourself, you can bring it right here.
I can't get it to turn in this wind.
I think Barbie's passed out behind the wheel.
Is that thing remote start too?